Meanwhile, we have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. This is what top sources are telling your channel. The ongoing Indigo flight disruptions are now impacting Air India operations as well. Sources say Air India is awaiting updates from Pune Airport, with several of its flights affected due to cancellations of the Indigo flights and the delays that are taking place. Currently, the impact is being seen at the Pune Airport. So Air India claims operational difficulty because of Indigo's delayed and cancelled flights. They are awaiting some sort of communication from the Pune Airport Authority. Shafali is getting us more details. Yes.
Yes, it is correct that because of the Indigo crisis, now other airlines are also being impacted because of it. Especially at Pune Airport, what we have been told is that as it is a defence airport, there are limited bays. So out of 10 bays that Pune Airport has, 9 bays have been occupied by Indigo since last night. So now with one operated bay that the airport authorities can use for other airlines, they are trying to accommodate all the other airlines that which can be Air India, SpiceJet, Akasa. So because of that, now the operations of other airlines is being delayed, and the main reason is still that because of Indigo. And it is also said that till the Indigo does not send its crew to the Pune airport to the particular bay, and that is when those bays will be clear, and then they can use the other bays that have been occupied by Indigo for now.
Right. Shafali, stay on with us. We also